You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this expression, as well as how to say more interesting vocabulary, useful vocabulary from French that is commonly used in English, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel. In English, this is said as ménage à trois, because in French it is said as ménage à trois, ménage à trois. Ménage à trois literally means forming a household with three people, so a relationship where three people are involved. Ménage à trois, ménage à trois. And now you know from French, ménage à trois. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations of useful vocabulary from French. And now you know. Like this video if you found it useful. Thanks for your support and thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.